Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase local SEO with Yelp Business, detailed guide step by step clearly. Optimize your Yelp Business profile. Begin by claiming your business on Yelp. Fill out your business information completely. Include your business name, address, phone number, and category. Add a detailed description of your services or products. Use relevant keywords naturally in your description. Upload high-quality images that showcase your business. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your Yelp page. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative. This shows engagement and builds trust with potential customers. Ensure your business hours are accurate and up to date. Utilize Yelp's business highlights to feature unique offerings. Consider adding special offers or discounts to attract customers. Regularly update your profile with new content and photos. Monitor your Yelp analytics for insights on customer engagement. Adjust your strategy based on what the data reveals. Link your Yelp profile on your website and social media. This boosts your credibility and drives traffic to your Yelp page. Encourage satisfied customers to check in on Yelp. This can improve your visibility in local search results. Participate in the Yelp community by engaging in local events. Collaborate with influencers or local businesses for cross-promotion. Stay informed about Yelp's updates and best practices. Regularly check for any unanswered reviews or messages. Make necessary adjustments to your profile based on feedback. Aim for a consistent and professional appearance across all platforms. Implementing these strategies will enhance your local SEO effectively. A well-optimized Yelp profile can significantly boost your visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.